Started as a simple lie, thinking love had chose us.
Good afternoon, Doctor and everyone. We are Group 9. Today we are going to begin the fieldwork and reflection video. So before we get started, me and my group member went to Shaoli's place. He's also a UKM student, but during the last summer break, he faced an unfair experience in China. So I did a brief interview with him, and his story will be the perfect way to kick off our reflection video. All right, Lee. Thanks for agreeing to this interview. Could you tell us your story and made you decide to apply for this internship?
I always thought I was lucky to get an internship offer before graduating, and it was my dream position. And I believe this job would help me to gain a valuable experience and improve my skill.
Okay, get it. So, how did you get the offer? Was it through an interview or another way?
I applied through a recruitment website and I have an interview. And during the interview, this really impressed with me and told me it was almost constant I get the job. About 2 weeks later, I got a formal offer.
All right. Then what happened next?
A few days later, I was really starting the internship. But then I got a call from HR saying that my offer was cancelled because of company change. I have no idea what was going on, and they didn't give me a reason at all. Suddenly, I lost this opportunity.
Okay, so they broke the contract and you didn't get work for the company?
Yes, they told me over the phone, and there was no written confirmation. My life just fell apart. I have no income and no internship opportunity anymore. I don't understand. A signed contract, I was ready to start, but they canceled it out of nowhere. It wasn't just a loss of career opportunity. It was below to my chest. I felt like they just used me and threw me away.
Okay. All right. Through this story, we can see the troubles and legal issues that unfair dismissal can cause. During the job search and work process, the legal agreements and respects between employees and employers are crucial. We hope this incident serves as a reminder to more young people to protect their rights when entering the workforce. And now our group member will provide a detailed analysis. Thank you guys.
Next, we will conduct a deeper analysis of this matter and the legal issues involved in it for everyone. It's about unfair dismissal. Many people think that after signing a contract, the job is safe. But in real life, some companies cancel the contract before the job even starts. This is unfair to the workers. We want to help everyone understand this problem and learn how to protect your rights. We interviewed a UCAM student, Xiao Li. He got an internship offer after an interview. He was very happy and ready to start work. But a few days before, the company called and said the internship was cancelled because of business changes. They gave no written notice and no compensation. Xiao Li felt very sad and angry. He felt it was very unfair. Xiaoli's case is not the only one. This kind of thing happens in many small companies. Young people don't know the law, so it's hard to protect themselves. That's why this is an important topic. Next, our group will explain this case from the legal side.
Hello everyone, I'm going to introduce the one for dismissal under the Malaysian employment law. First, firing someone isn't something a company can do just like that. There are rules under the Employment Act 1955. Basically, two things are needed: a valid reason and a proper progress. A valid reason could be something like really bad behavior not improving after training, or if the companies have real financial trouble. But even with the reason, the company still have to follow the rest steps, like giving notice, how long. It depends on how long you work there. 4 weeks if under 2 years, 6 weeks for 2 to 5 years, and 8 weeks for over 5 years. Or they can just pay you instead of the giving notice. Also, they must tell you the reason in writing. Now let's talk about the rights. Employees have the basic rights like getting paid fairly, having at least one rest day a week, and working in safe environment. Employers have the rights too. They can run the company how they want, but they cannot just fire people without a reason or suddenly cut benefits. Or one case made it clear, before firing someone, bosses must do a fair check, let the person speak and keep all records. That way it's fair for both sides. So what is company break the rules? Well, the employee can claim up to 24 months' salary, maybe even get their jobs or receive the compensation for emotion stress, and the company might be fined up to 50,000 ringgit. But there's catch. The employee has to act fast. They must go to the labor department within 60 days, and if needed, take the case to court within 1 year. In one case, the court even said that if the boss gives a legal order, the worker has the right to say no and still be protected. So how do we avoid this? Simple for employers. Have the clear policies following the fair progress and train your managers well. For employees, keep your documents. Know your rights and speak up early if something wrong. And the lawmakers, they can help too by making law easier to understand, like what actually means or how compensation should be calculated. At the end of this day, it's all about the fairness, making sure both sides are protected.
Okay, let's talk about discussion and redemption. This case highlights the issue of unfair dismissal in today's labor market. Despite signing a contract and preparing to start his internship, the company cancelled the offer without any real explanation or compensation. This clear violates Malaysia Employment Act 1955, which require valid reasons and prior decisions for any termination. In practice, many companies, especially small and medium enterprises, fail to follow the law, which reasons like business adjustments are often used to avoid legal responsibility. As seen in this case, this not only damages trust but also causes financial and emotional harm to young job seekers. To address this, companies must improve HR compliance. Employees should protect themselves with documentation and legal awareness, and lawmakers should clarify legal terms and standards compensation rules. Okay, next, conclusion. In conclusion, a fair labor environment depends not only on laws, but on how seriously they are followed. This story is a strong reminder of the need for legal protection and accountability in employment practices. Okay, thank you, Doctor. Thank you, everyone.